In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Zillow listing, 2026 full guide. Keeping your property details current helps the right buyers or renters find you. With Zillow's owner dashboard, you can update price, facts, and photos quickly so your listing stays accurate and competitive. Head to Zillow.com and sign in with the email associated with your property. If you haven't already, search your full address and select Claim Your Home, then complete the verification to unlock owner controls. After you're verified and logged in, open your property page, switch to Owner View, and click Owner Dashboard. This is where all your editing tools live, and in the dashboard, choose Edit Facts or Edit Listing to start. Here you can adjust pricing, core stats like bedrooms, bathrooms, and total square footage, and refine the home description. When setting price, look at recent activity for similar homes so you're aligned with the market. Confirm bedroom and bathroom counts and make sure square footage reflects any permitted changes. In the description, focus on clear, benefit-driven highlights such as new systems, energy upgrades, storage, outdoor spaces, or proximity to amenities, and keep it accurate and easy to read. Then refresh your media. Upload bright, high-resolution photos that show spaces in natural light. Lead with your strongest image, usually a sharp exterior or a standout kitchen or living area. Use drag and drop to reorder so the best visuals appear first, and delete any photos that are dark, outdated, or misleading. Keep orientation consistent and avoid near duplicates. A clean gallery helps buyers understand the flow and builds confidence. And when everything looks right, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Your updates should appear on the dashboard right away, though they may take a short time to filter through public search results. If your property is listed by an agent through an MLS, some price or structural edits must be handled by the agent, so coordinate as needed. After saving, view the public page to confirm details and photo order. That's all you need to keep your Zillow listing fresh and accurate. Regular updates can improve visibility and attract serious interest. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.